How to decrease space between bullet and text in Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reduce the space between a bullet point and the text in Microsoft Word. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here in the Word document, simply right click on the space between the bullet and text you want to adjust. And here from the menu that pops up, simply click on Adjust List Indents. And after that, here you will see two important settings. Bullet positions, the one that controls how far the bullet is from the margin, and the text indent. They set how far the text is from the bullet. For example, I will change the bullet position to 1 centimeter and the text indent to 1 centimeter as well. And after that, as you can see, this tightens up the spacing and makes everything look cleaner. And that's it. That's how you can decrease space between bullet and text in Microsoft Word. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.